Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit a fillable PDF form using PDF XChange Editor. Open your fillable PDF from PDF XChange Editor and this is a fillable PDF form and I'll edit this fillable PDF form. And first I'll edit this fillable PDF from this fillable text field. Now click on this form option and here you will find the select field option. Click here. Now click on this text field and select. And this right side bar here you will find this properties dialog box, or click on this right button on your mouse and select properties and properties dialog box will be opened. Now click on this fill color. Here you can see this text fill color. I'll make it white and border color I will change this one, and border thickness I'll make it 250 and see this, and border style I'll make it solid, and this text font style you can see here red, bold, italic as it already says, and its text font size I'll make it custom font size 14 and see this, and this text color also you can change if you want. See this text color here. I'll make this black as, and click on this hand option and see this text field, border color, text color field already says. Now again click on this field option. Now click on this text field. You can increase, decrease this text field this way if you want, and you can move this text field anywhere, and also you can align all of this. And again click here. Here you can type multiple line if you want. This multi-line you can make it yes, and text alignment you can change it and make it center and see this, and border also is in solid text field and so on. In this way you can edit your fillable PDF form and you can delete it if you want and see this and so on. And you can say this field name, you can give new name this text field, you can add tooltip and text orientation you can change and see this and make it 0 degrees, and text field visible and hidden select and option and see this and so on. And finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.